Okay, so now we're gonna talk about plugging in the electrical, right? The cool news is you literally just plug it in, okay? So here's the electrical, right? And you feed it down through here just to keep everything nice and smooth. And then I'm basically going to fix that first. And then I'm gonna, I will meet you guys over by the electrical, which is in the back. So, I mean, it's every RV park you go to is gonna have, this is a 30 amp hookup, right? So it's a, just remember 30 amp. I mean, they're all gonna have 30 amps everywhere you go. And so it looks like this. All you do is you plug it in here, push it in, and now you have city power, basically. So the way that power works in an RV is you either run off of the internal battery, you run off the generator, or you run off city electricity, right? When you're parked at an RV park, you want to plug it in here because it's free power, basically, and it recharges all your batteries and it runs all your lights and it runs literally everything as long as you're on this power. But whenever you're driving or if you're parking somewhere where you don't have city power, then you can run off batteries, and when your batteries get low enough, or you know, if you need to run everything, you can just crank up the generator, and I'll show you guys how to do all that. But this is how you hook up city power. And since that was so simple, I'm actually gonna do the sewage right now too, because I can fit all this into one video. So this is, now you want, I don't have gloves right now, I'm gonna have to wash my hands later, but you want to use gloves typically, and we'll provide those gloves to you. So this is your little sewage pipe, and in here, in the same area that you had your water hose, is your little adapter, okay? So basically, what you're gonna do, if you look under here, this is your pipe from your black water tank and from your gray water tank, right? This is gray water and this is black water. Black water means all of the stuff that comes from the toilet, basically. All of the poop and pee and all of the nasty stuff, right? That's black water. Gray water is all the stuff that it drains out from your kitchen sink and from your shower, from your bathroom sink and so on. So it's you know, it's dirty. You can't drink it, obviously, but it's not filled with all kinds of yucky stuff. So the key is, for this one, when you get to the RV park, you want to pop this cap open. You just twist it to the left and pop it open. And then this has the same fixtures. So you're just going to put it in here and you're going to twist it on. Like so. All right? So it's nice and stable. Okay? And then you're just going to take this bad boy and you're going to stretch it out. And once it's stretched out, you basically will unscrew this. And then you screw in your adapter. This adapter typically screws into here. Oftentimes it does. Sometimes it's not. Okay, so this one is not, but that doesn't matter, really, because this will fit onto here. Oops. This will fit onto here. The good news is you don't really have to be a genius to do all this. I don't even know what I'm doing, and I'm still able to figure it out. So put that in there, and then typically you want, I mean, it's good there, but typically you want to put something on it to kind of keep it down, because whenever you empty your tanks, it's going to go right here into this sewage. Okay? Pretty simple.